多謝大家即係嚟呢個咁好嘅項目啦。咁我都好多謝啲 organisers Live for Well、Miranda 同埋 Cyberport 去邀請我去分享我哋呢個嘅報告啦。咁我可能介紹下自己少少先啦。咁我係Sunny 啦，我係我哋 Deloitte 德勤嘅 consulting 裏邊嘅其中一個 partner，就 lead 住我哋喺香港嘅我哋叫 digital strategy 嘅團隊嘅嚇。咁點解我會今日去分享關於呢個話題咧？就係咁我就絕對唔係一個係醫學界裏邊嘅專家嚟嘅，咁我都係做好多唔同嘅 industry 啦，我 serve 過好多唔同類型嘅客啦。咁我諗點解我會覺得呢個咁重要嘅 topic 咧？係我都見到好多客啦，係我哋由現疏嗰啲行業啊，或者係銀行啊 financial service 啦，甚至好多啲 retail loyalty program 嗰啲嘅客咧，其實佢都係好深入地咁研究點樣去 drive 到呢個 topic， 即係 health and wellness 啊。可能我哋都好多年前我都已經幫咗啲現疏公司去推有啲叫move 嘅 program。如果你見到喺地鐵見到好似張柏豪喺度做掌上壓咁嗰啲，咁其實我哋嗰陣時已經係幫緊好多啲客咧去諗緊點樣去 leverage 翻health and wellness 呢個 topic 嚟去 drive behaviour change， 可能去 drive 啲 spending change 啊 ，drive 佢啲engagement 啊咁樣嚇。咁呢個所以我諗我哋見到成個行業全部唔同嘅行業咧都好深入地睇緊呢個 health and wellness 點樣去 drive 到個 change 啦嚇，都幫我大銀行去推佢哋個 Well Plus 嗰個 program 咁樣啦嚇。咁第二個我諗大嘅點解我對呢個 topic 都好有興趣就係咁我做好多 consulting 嘅項目嗰陣時咧，其實最大嘅問題係 behaviour change。我哋點樣去 drive 到啲人去改良佢嘅 behaviour？ 頭先我聽到好多唔同嘅 sharing 都係講緊，哇！如果香港人好似好容易地要改少少關於佢嘅衣食嘅知識啊，或者佢哋改佢嘅 diet 啊，去做少少行多幾步啊，咁其實就可能已經有啲好好嘅 health outcome。咁但係其實我哋真係深入啲諗，點解有一個 gap between 係啲人係可能係咪唔知道需要做呢啲嘢啊，或者係如果要做啲咁少嘅嘢就已經可以 improve 佢哋 health outcome？ 點解佢哋唔做咧？係咪？咁我諗我哋都一路都係諗緊呢個behaviour change 點樣去 drive 到嘅 behaviour 嘅 topic 咧？呢個就正我哋做好多唔同嘅 consulting 嘅 strategy， 其實諗點樣做 change management， 點樣去 drive 個 change 咁樣。咁所以呢個都係對我哋嚟講係好有意思嘅 topic 咁樣啦。咁我諗由第三個點，其實我都有好多 personal 嘅原因，點解我覺得要改良翻個 health 啊，去 reactive 去 proactive 啲咁樣去 prevent 啲唔同嘅health issues 咁樣。咁呢度我之後都可以睇下可唔可以分享下嚇。咁所以 going into 呢個 topic 咧，其實我哋都想睇翻一嚟咧就係香港與 global 之間係有啲咩大嘅分別咧？點解我哋好似見到global 咁多唔同嘅 technologies， 咁多數據啊 AI driven 嘅 health 嘅 topics 咧？點解可以好似佢哋 adopt 得好啲咁樣咧？可能係啲 anecdotal 嘅 stories 嚟嘅，但係都好似 feels like 外國嗰邊係好早已經係有好多唔同嘅新嘅 wearables 啊！我都戴緊有啲戒指係專登 track 住你係你嘅氧氣啊、你嘅心跳啊、你嘅 sleep 啊咁嗰啲。咁嗰啲其實我10年前喺外國已經可以好容易地可以 access 到呢啲啦。咁嗰陣時香港係冇得買嘅，我要專登喺加拿大嗰邊買嘅嚇。咁sign 我喺加拿大嗰邊長大嘅，所以我講啲中文可能差少少，唔好介意嚇。成日都用多啲英文嘅嚇。但係呢個話題我哋就覺得點解香港人係咪冇呢個嘅常識咧？係咪點解佢冇呢個 access， 定係一個係 finance 嘅問題？點解佢係香港都比較落後喺呢方面咧？咁呢度有啲數據頭先都提過啦，其實就係好多啲 preventable 嘅 disease， 其實我諗香港同 global 嗰個嗰個程度其實差唔多嘅啫，即係7成8成都講過係好多唔同嘅preventable 嘅 non-communicable 嘅 disease， 即係你唔係傳染病嗰啲啦，可能係 heart disease 啊、cancer 啊等等呢啲嘢咧係 preventable嘅嗰啲 deaths 嚇，有8成嘅嗰啲嘅deaths 咧係可以 prevent 得到 through change in diet、change in lifestyle 咁樣嘅嚇。咁呢樣嘢點解係未 capitalize 得到咧？你喺左手邊都見到好多，喺你嘅右手邊都見到好多香港政府都推緊好多唔同嘅 policy address 裏邊提過嘅嘢啦，包括點樣可以做多啲 prevention 啊、cancer 啊等等嗰啲嘢。有樣嘢喺呢度冇提就係嗰個 mental health 嗰邊。當我哋講緊 wellness 嗰陣時，我哋都好着重，唔單止係 physical health， 但係個 mental health 咧，我哋都會覺得係一個好大嘅 factor， 同埋都好 intermingled with 呢個 physical health 個 topic 嘅嚇。咁我都見到我哋喺個 policy address 裏邊咧都有提mental health 會提高俾由中學嗰度已經會開始做多啲投資入去，俾多啲 social work 啊、social 嘅 counselling 俾啲中學生啊。佢哋有推呢個4R 嘅 program， 好似係叫做rest 啊、relaxation 啊、resilience 同埋個 relationship 啊。咁呢啲全部都係對 mental health 嗰邊 which 我哋一陣都會深入啲講啊。係好有效，係同埋都好重要，係要幫助成個 wellness 咁樣嘅嚇。咁其實我諗我哋全部啲 topic 最尾都係想點樣 tie back to 翻嗰個即係嗰個預防性嘅健康咁樣啦。咁同埋我哋之後即係見到嗰個嘅進展，成個 global 嗰個由1.0去到2.0去到3.0咧，我哋見到都係一路去推向緊呢個方向咁樣嘅嚇。咁我哋recap 翻少少，我哋點解叫wellness 3.0咁樣啦 ，right？ 其實我哋不嬲，我諗1.0就係講你有病你就去醫啦嚇，咁係 very reactive， 係你見到有問題你先至會去即係去 take action 咁樣嘅。咁其實2.0我諗已經係都好普遍㗎啦。其實頭先都講過好耐 preventative 係咪？點樣去推廣多啲唔同嘅信息俾啲市民知道啊？去改你個 nutrition 啊，去改你嘅 lifestyle 啊。其實呢啲我諗已經係做咗好耐㗎啦。但係咪有好有成果咧？可能有啲好細嘅 movement， 但係有啲咩係可以突破得到嘅咧？咁依家我諗就係進入去呢個3.0嘅時代啦嚇，就係可能點樣去preventative 嗰方面咧，預防性嗰方面咧，係攞多啲數據，攞多啲AI 呢啲嘢，就我諗就真係可以去到呢個治未病呢個 topic 咁樣啦嚇，治未病呢個 topic， 咁就真係用 AI 智能你可以去推廣呢個咁嘅 preventative and manage 嘅 health 咁樣。咁我諗而家頭先都提過好多唔同嘅科技，好多人都講過有 wearables 啊，有好多 AI 嘅嘢啊，有好多online 嘅平台可以俾啲 coaching 啊、counselling advice 你。咁呢啲係咪就係我哋最尾需要嗰個嘢去 close the gap 嗰樣嘅咧？咁呢就係我哋喺嗰個嘅訪問，喺我哋做咗個 survey 裏邊咧，就好想深入去了解翻係咪呢啲嘢就可以幫到香港去 adopt 去 embrace 翻 preventive wellness 呢樣嘢咧嚇。咁所以我哋都 combine 好多唔同嘅 factors 嘅喺我哋個報告裏邊啦。我哋一嚟 of course 做咗好多 global research 啦。咁我哋 Deloitte 都係全球最大嘅 professional services firm 啦。咁係接觸到好多唔同嘅客戶，係可以了解到佢哋推緊啲咩唔同嘅嘢啦。佢哋喺科技上啊，喺啲政府嘅 policy 上啊，有啲咩唔同嘅嘢係真係幫助緊 wellness， 幫助緊 physical 啊、mental 啊、financial 啊，同埋全部唔同嘅 social 嘅 wellness 咧，全部都係 tie together 咁樣嘅嚇。咁第二步我哋就想睇翻做翻好多 survey 去了解翻，其實香港市民有啲咩係佢對呢樣嘢嘅了解係乜嘢咧？點解佢哋唔 embrace？ 點解唔 adopt 咧？咁我哋 going into 呢個 survey 咧，我哋個 hypothesis 都係覺得係可能係一個好大嘅 awareness 嘅問題啦，即係啲人唔知道係需要做啲乜嘢，或者點樣去做先至係可以去或者呢個 topic mental health preventive health 可能佢都唔知佢有個重要性喺裏邊嘅，或者可能係第二啲可能係啲 motivation 啦，即係點樣去around 佢嘅financial 嘅 career 啊，佢嘅family 啊，佢喺咁 tight 嘅 small space 裏邊，佢都冇辦法可以去做到呢啲嘅動作。咁我哋都係覺得可能係啲咁嘅 awareness 同 motivation 嘅 factors 喺裏邊啦。咁但係其實我哋深入啲睇翻啲報告裏邊嗰啲嘅數據咧，其實可能係有再深入啲嘅、再 interesting 啲嘅 findings 喺裏邊嘅嚇。咁 of course 第三我哋睇翻有啲咩嘅 potential solutions 都攞啲人嘅意見 on 佢哋覺得有啲咩係真係會幫到佢哋手去 adopt 咁樣啦嚇。咁我講翻少少嗰個嘅 study 啦。咁我哋其實喺part of 呢個 study 裏邊咧，我哋係survey 咗過1000個人嘅嚇。咁喺個 survey 裏邊，我哋問咗好似30至40條問題啦。咁每一條都可能係一嚟規範翻佢個 lifestyle， 佢有啲咩嘅 behaviours 啦。咁同埋亦都會問翻佢哋關於佢哋有啲乜嘢係阻止佢哋去唔 adopt 或者唔 embrace 啲咁嘅 practice 或者 behaviour 咁樣嘅嚇。咁你見到我哋大概嗰個嘅 demographic 嘅 range 都係幾類似香港嗰個 range 嚟嘅，即係我哋都盡量reflect 翻大概個年齡啊、嗰個 profile 啊、嗰個性別嘅 profile 啊，甚至嗰個嘅annual income 啊，每個月你見到大部分啲人都係每個月係2萬蚊至10萬蚊之間咁樣嘅，係有70%嘅 number。咁所以呢個都令到係我哋可以反映得翻一嚟啲人係有嗰個嘅spending power 可以去 take action 啦，即係佢哋唔係會係7/24都係要好擔心係要揾要食嘢啊，要揾食咁樣。咁呢啲都係令到佢哋係希望係有個空間可以去 exhibit 到呢啲嘅 behaviour change 嘅位。咁下邊個 occupation 你都見到好大量嘅係都係 office worker 嚟嘅嚇，由左手邊個3個顏色嘅 bar 咧，全部都 likely 係好多時間係坐喺個 office 嗰度8個鐘、9個鐘、10個鐘咁樣嘅嚇。咁呢啲都我諗係我哋喺嗰個survey 裏邊咧，就想 capture 翻呢啲嘅唔同嘅 range of demographics 等係 representative 咁樣啦。咁我哋都有31個唔同嘅人咧，我哋都抽咗出嚟做 interview 嘅。咁嗰啲 interview 有 range from 5分鐘至有30分鐘左右啦。咁都盡量係深入啲了解翻 again 嗰個 behaviour 嘅 motivation and driver 咁樣嘅嚇。咁 咁嗱，我都講過好多，即係我哋唔係一個醫學嘅 study 嚟㗎啦，所以 take 呢個 advice 係唔係一個medical advice 嚟嘅嚇。但我諗我哋絕對係想睇翻嗰個 behaviour 嗰啲嘅 motivation and drivers 咁樣。咁我諗我哋有其中喺裏邊咧，我諗我哋抽咗3個 key 嘅motivation 嘅 insights 出嚟啦嚇。咁我哋最大我諗見到嗰樣嘢咧，其實就係我哋見到有個好大嘅我哋叫 intention to behaviour 嘅 gap。好似中文叫做係咩？意向同行為嘅區別咁樣啦嚇。咁呢個 intention to behaviour 嘅 gap 咧，就係我哋都幾 interesting。我哋見到就係呢樣嘢先係真係個 main blocker。對香港啲人點解唔去 adopt 呢樣嘢嚇？因為我哋開頭就以為係個 awareness， 可能香港係冇啲人冇呢個知識，或者係冇呢個時間冇個 financial 嘅spending power 去 take 呢個 action。但係如果你見到呢啲數據咧，你見到佢係有60%嘅人咧，我哋 interview 嗰啲人咧，其實係每個月 spend多過500蚊喺 wellness 裏邊嘅嚇。咁 again wellness 我哋嘅 definition 可以係包括 physical health 啊、mental health 啲 meditation 啊、啲therapy 啊咁嗰啲嘢。咁但係你見到 physical health 裏邊 alone 咧都係每個月可以 spend 500蚊嘅人咧，但係佢哋都可能係每個月係每個禮拜做少過3次嘅運動嘅嚇。咁所以你 interpret 到嗰樣嘢就係佢哋嗰個 intention 係喺度嘅，即係佢哋係 aware 係需要做多啲運動，佢係有個 intent， 佢甚至擺埋錢落去係會投資入去 improve 佢嘅 health 嘅。但係佢最尾嗰個 health 都係冇呢個 outcome 或者佢 take 唔到呢個 action 咁樣嚇。甚至裏邊嗰個數目字裏邊有好似係有25% 嘅人咧係每個月 spend 1500蚊on health and wellness 嘅。佢都係淨係做少過3次一個禮拜 on health 咁樣嚇。咁所以呢啲數據就我哋覺得 again 係嗰個 mindset 咧係喺度嘅。佢哋只係爭個 last step on 點樣去帶到佢哋由去我有個 intention， 我有個 awareness， 去到我可以實行到呢樣嘢，係令到我真係可以改個 behaviour 咁樣咧。咁你見到甚至有22% of 啲人咧係每個禮拜係做少過1次運動嘅嚇，我都就係其中一個咁樣嘅嚇。咁所以呢啲係我諗好多係嗰個我係好有 intention 去轉啦。我老婆都 sign me up for gym membership 啊，咁但係我成年都去過1次咁樣，即係我都係嗰類型嘅人嚟嘅，所以我都好 well understood 呢個 point 點解你可能係每個月 spend 幾百蚊甚至1000蚊 on health and wellness， 但係最尾都係達唔到個效果，達唔到個成績咁樣啦嚇。咁我諗幾個 point 咧，其實都係 tie to 呢樣嘢嘅嚇。咁第二個 point 你見到就會係 around mental health 嘅。咁當我哋講 mental health 嗰陣時咧，可能都係 again 包含好多唔同嘅嘢啦。即係我諗 stress 啊、depression 啊、anxiety 啊等等呢啲咧，都我諗係大家會通常遇到嘅嘢啦。咁你見到呢啲數據，其實有60%嘅人或者65% 嘅人咧，其實佢都話過佢哋知道 mental health 係好重要嘅，即係一個 high priority 嚟嘅對佢哋。咁我哋都幾 surprise 嘅，因為我哋驚以為香港係對呢樣嘢係冇咁認識嘅嚇，因為見到喺公眾嘅 support for mental health 啊 for therapy 啊 counselling 啊呢啲嘢咧係比較低嘅嗰個publicity 裏邊嚇。咁但係其實啲人都係好 well aware of 呢樣嘢嘅嚇，佢都 aware 可能係瞓覺都係一個好重要嘅啦。有70%嘅人佢哋話其實如果我係可以瞓得多啲覺咧，其實就已經幫到我個 mental health 㗎啦嚇。咁但係我哋如果睇翻其他啲數據咧，其實真係去 take action on 呢樣嘢咧係好低嘅嚇，即係你見到可能係得26% 嘅人咧係真係有去join attend 啲 mental health 嘅 services 嘅嚇，包括可能如果係有16% 咧係真係用嗰啲工具嚇。而家其實好多 meditation app 啊，好多啲online therapy 嘅 app 其實都可以用得到嘅。但係點解咁少啲人會去 take action 咧 ？Again 我都係見到係嗰個嘅有呢個 intention and awareness， 但係最尾係爭少少某啲嘢咧嚟去令到佢可以 take action 嗰樣嘢嘅嚇。咁我哋見到可能有啲乜嘢係真係可以幫到佢咧，就係多啲digital 嘅工具啊，多啲 online 嘅工具。有好多人都會 seek 話我可唔可以有啲可唔可以用個 chatbot 做個 therapist 咁樣嘅嚇？你見到外國人可能已經開始講緊呢樣嘢，佢用 ChatGPT 做佢個 therapist 咁樣嚇。咁呢樣嘢係咪健康咧？咁 nevertheless 我諗見到係嗰個問題就係嗰個 barrier 係低好多，佢係好多 handy 啲嘅工具咧可以幫到佢去 take action on 呢樣佢 aware 嘅嘢咁樣嚇。咁所以我諗in addition 啦，你見到下邊香港都可能仲係有好多喺 mental health 嗰方面嘅，我哋叫 stigma 啦，即係可能你啲人見到你係有神經病嘅，係咪會覺得你哇唔可以唔好群埋佢嗰度啊，唔好請呢啲人啊咁樣。咁好多呢啲都係喺嗰個mindset 同 culture 上咧係繼續可以 improve 可以改到嘅嘢嘅嚇。咁第三個大嘅 topic 都係圍繞住呢個 intent and behaviour 嘅 gap 裏邊啦。咁其實我哋頭先講過好多 preventative health 呢樣嘢啦。其實 again 有好多人咧都已經係話 aware of 呢樣嘢㗎啦。甚至我哋好似見到係有64% of 人咧係話係 somewhat 會想 take action 或者係 very likely to take action 嚟去做啲 preventative 嘅嘢咁樣。咁但係最大阻止佢哋嘅 factor 係點解唔去 take 呢啲 action 咧？咁of course 喺finance 同 time 嗰邊係有啲嘅 factor 啦。咁但係第三、第四大嘅 factor on 點解佢哋唔做 preventative healthcare 咧，就係話佢 lacking 啲 guidance， 係啲好 friendly 或者係 beginner friendly 或者好targeted 嘅 guidance 咁樣。因為我哋見到好多啲市場上嗰啲嘅指示咧都好 generic 嘅。你見到政府出嗰啲嘢，或者頭先我哋睇到好多數據嗰啲就係你行多幾步啦，你食得健康啲啦，你避免食啲red meat 啊，你食多啲蔬菜啊。其實我諗呢啲嘢都講咗幾十年㗎，係咪？我都係成世都一路唔食菜嗰啲人嚟嘅嚇。咁點解即係知道係我哋 logical speaking， 我係知道係要做呢樣嘢先令到我健康嘅，但我一路都唔 take action 咧。Again， 其實就係爭啲好 personalize， 好係對貼我嘅情況嘅 advice 俾到我。咁最好點樣去俾到呢啲 advice 就我今日講個話題就係數據化 AI 啊 driven 呢樣嘢，就係最大可以 make 到呢個 step 去突破到去點樣去 take action 嗰個 step 咁樣啦嚇。好。咁所以我諗之後我哋個報告咧，我哋好似係下個禮拜或者今個禮拜咪會出嘅。咁你裏邊都會見到好多其他數據，關於啲人嘅 behaviour 啦。咁我諗 to us 我哋最大見到嗰個嘅 behaviour again 就係嗰個 insight to behaviour 嗰個 gap。係啦，咁我哋again喺做好多 consulting 都係你點樣去 drive 到個 behaviour 咧？如果你 launch 個新嘅 system， 其實冇人用咧，其實就係一個失敗啦嚇。咁所以最重要就係點樣去 drive 嗰個 behaviour change 咧，先至可以去 improve 到啲 outcomes 咁樣啦嚇。咁我哋見到點樣可以可能我哋見到會係特別想 focus 多啲嘅 areas 嚟去 drive behaviour change 啦。咁我諗頭先都講過好多 around AI 啦，我哋見到嗰個data 嗰個用處係可以落到 personal 都好多嘅。無論你見到頭先 e-health 嚇，或者我都親人會用好多嗰啲 circle DNA 啊，做好多嗰啲唔同嘅報告。咁我可以睇翻喺嗰度裏邊咧有冇啲interesting 嘅可以去 tackle 嘅。雖然 again 我做咗個報告之後咧，我都唔係做好多 behaviour change 嘅，但係 at least 我有個 awareness， 我知道譬如係我 tense 如果瞓夜啲，我第二朝係會冇咁我係一個night owl 啲人叫做係一個 night owl， 即係我係偏係瞓得夜嘅。咁呢樣嘢點樣影響到我個 day to day life 啊？咁呢啲全部 circle DNA 都有同我講呢啲嘢咁樣嘅嚇。咁第二個大嘅就係點樣將 take 呢啲 data 去 connect to 你個 lifestyle 咁樣啦。咁 again take action 嗰個 step 咧就係如果你可以每一個步你都係 personalize 翻嗰個 recommendation 嘅，即係 again instead of 話食多啲蔬菜啦，不如佢可唔可以 tailor 翻啲餐俾我，話喂你其實我淨係食3種蔬菜嘅，就係菠菜、豆苗、通菜咁樣嚇。咁你可唔可以整多啲唔同嘅 dishes 俾我，都係用呢3種菜嘅咧？咁我咪會食多啲啦，喂！即係呢啲就係要係好 personalize， 同埋喺你嗰個情況裏邊 contextually aware 咧，就 make 啲 recommendation 俾你。咁呢啲先至可以 connect 到 to 你個 lifestyle 咁樣啦。咁最尾 of course technology 就係一個好大嘅 factor 啦。咁呢啲 global 嘅 trends 我哋希望都越嚟越多帶到嚟香港，就係點樣用呢啲科技咧嚟去幫助嘅 behaviour change 啦。係啦，咁你見到頭先講嗰啲 topic 其實都係圍繞住嗰個 personalization 啦。咁你見到其實我哋問嗰啲人嗰陣時咧，佢哋都有56% 嘅人咧，其實佢哋都話係好 seeking 呢啲咁嘅 personalized plans 嘅嚇。Again 有好多 existing 嗰啲 technology 咧係比較 passive 啲嘅，即係你係做 record keeping。我食咗呢餐，我係食咗呢啲嘢嘅，甚至影埋相計埋 calorie 俾你聽。咁但係其實呢樣嘢係咪真係 drive 到去 change behaviour 咧？ right？ 其實都係 more 一個 record keeping 嘅嘢 ，which 係有幫助嘅。但係就未去到真係嗰個 last mile of 改 behaviour 嘅嘢咁樣啦嚇。咁所以可能佢啲 advice again 都係比較 generic 啦。如果 instead 我係知道呢一餐，不如你試下呢樣嘢咁樣啦，或者你行緊去地鐵嗰度，不如你兜條長啲嘅路啦。咁呢啲咁去到你直情喺嗰個 moment 裏邊做緊嘢嘅 recommendation 咧，就我哋最尾缺乏緊嘅嘢咁樣啦嚇。第二個大 area 就係即係頭先講嗰啲collect 數據嗰樣嘢啦。咁其實我諗一半嘅人，即係差唔多一半嘅人都已經有 wearables 㗎啦 ，right？ 咁但係你用嗰啲 wearables 其實係咪真係幫到你嘅 improvement 咧嚇？我諗我其實都係驚之前有個 Apple Watch 嘅，但係好似2-3年前唔見咗，我都一路冇 replace 過咁樣嚇。因為其實嗰樣嘢可能我唔係真係用佢嚟去track 我嘅 workouts 嘅嚇。其實佢有啲咩係真係 drive 緊我去 change 個 behaviour 咧都冇嘅。其實佢只係 show 緊俾我睇，你今日行咗幾多啊？你今日食緊啲乜嘢啊？你今日有啲乜嘢嘅 schedule 嘅嘢啊咁樣，咁變咗呢個都唔係一個 personalized 嘅 plan on 你見到有48% 嘅人啦都話佢會好 welcome 啲係 personalized plans around 佢啲報告啊，有冇啲 health 嘅 report， 好似我哋頭先話 circle DNA， 如果可以再 tie 埋嗰啲嘅 genetic reports to 有啲咩 behaviour change， 其實可能就會 motivate 我多好多咯嚇。或者我都之前 take 過 Liverwell 有啲 scan 啊 on 佢個 posture 啊 on 佢嗰啲嘅眼底下邊嘅 scan 啊，其實如果佢哋可以將嗰啲報告 tie to 咁就變咗你每個禮拜要做呢啲 action 咧，咁 again 係可以 close 嗰個 final gap between 你嗰個嘅data 啦同埋你嗰個 behaviour 咁樣啦嚇。 咁呢個最尾個我都話緊係嗰個mental health 嗰方面啦。咁你見到其實 mental health 仲係一個好 far behind 嘅 area 嚟嘅，right？你見到呢個香港係講緊個public hospital 嘅 waiting time for 去見一個therapist 啊、psychologist、psychiatrist 咁樣嘅，要等100個禮拜嘅差唔多嚇。咁呢個都係幾大嘅風險嚟嘅嚇，因為 mental health 係其實都產生好多嘅 downstream 嘅 health effects 啦 ，not to mention suicide 啊，對 family 嘅 issues 啊咁樣嚇。咁所以呢啲都係我哋見到喺香港有其實產生到令到36% 啲人咧，其實係想入 welcome 啲 digital 嘅模式嚟去 handle mental health 嘅嚇。Again VR chatbot、VR therapist 啊、chatbot 嘅GenAI 嘅 therapist 啊等等呢啲嘢。咁呢啲我哋都係 again 見到喺香港係可以 improve 得多啲嘅 in terms of 嗰個 mental health。咁我都識好多其他朋友其實已經係用啲 online channel 咧嚟去 match make with 啲 therapist， 跟住喺嗰度已經係可以解決到好多佢哋嘅心理學嘅問題咁樣噶啦嚇。咁呢啲我諗係暫時我哋見到喺市場上，你哋之後嗰啲項目同埋出邊希望都會見到好多啲嘅科技啦。咁我諗提翻少少我之前都話有啲 personal 嘅 story 可以 share 下，就係 around 我都話我戴咗呢個戒指一段時間啦，就係 around 呢個去幫我做 sleep tracking 啊，去幫我可以度到血裏邊嘅氧氣啊咁樣。咁其實我好耐以嚟咧都係一路係扯鼻鼾嘅。咁我太太成日都 complain 咗好耐話。你一路扯鼻鼾，即係嘈醒我咁樣。咁但係 of course 呢樣嘢都 drive 唔到去 behavior change 啦。咁但係佢就捉咗我去睇個醫生咧，去做嗰啲 sleep test 咁樣啦。咁喺個 sleep test 裏邊，我真係見到我係 severe sleep apnea 嘅，即係睡眠窒息咁樣啦嚇。咁喺嗰個 sleep apnea 裏邊咧，就即係我係每個鐘會係窒息多過30次嚇。即係可能每隔1-2分鐘我就已經會一瞓覺就會窒息，跟住就錯醒少少，跟住就窒息翻，又瞓翻覺咁樣嘅嚇。咁呢個 behavior 咧，個醫生話會係減短你嘅 life expectancy by 5 至10年嘅嚇，因為你個心係會好 stress，係會好大機會你係會有 earlier 嘅heart problems 咁樣嚇。咁但係 even then 佢講完咧，因為佢話我如果要解決咧，我要做手術。係要割 tonsils 啊，係要 reshape 翻我個鼻裏邊嗰啲嘅deviated septum 啊咁樣。咁我都唔做嚇。咁我隔咗2-3年我都唔做。但係我戴咗呢隻戒指之後咧，其實我就真係可以睇到喺我個 sleep 裏邊咧，係嗰個 oxygen level 係無端端喺每晚咧都會係好高嘅 variability 咁樣嘅嚇。無端端係有10幾次喺每晚咧，我個 oxygen 就會係無端低好多，跟住就會無端升高翻好多咁樣。咁呢個 to me 就係其實一個好大嘅 warning sign，點解真係原來我瞓覺嗰陣時係真係遇到呢啲咁嘅睡覺失眠。咁其實但係我係醒咗嗰陣時係完全唔知道有呢樣嘢發生嘅，即係我唔會覺得特別攰啊，我又唔會覺得係做嘢嗰陣時係冇精神啊咁樣。咁所以其實呢樣嘢係最尾點樣令到我 behavior change 嘅時候，我見到呢樣嘢，跟住我真係走入去做完個手術咧，2個禮拜之後咧，其實你見到嗰個 blood oxygen level 咧係 smooth 翻晒嘅，即係成晚again 唔代表我冇扯鼻鼾啊，或者唔代表我精神啲，但係其實我見到嗰個嘅 blood oxygen 嘅 change 係我知道令到我心嗰個嘅 impact 咧係真係會有幫助，真係會可能係令我 life expectancy 會唔同咁樣嘅嚇。咁所以 again 呢啲咁樣嘅 again 係 data driven 啊，係智能嘅方法嚟去 show 到啲嘢俾你睇，你見到 small changes， 可能你飲少啲咖啡，你可以見到你瞓得耐啲啊，你可能係見到有啲唔同時間起身會令到你嗰日嘅嗰個嘅 productivity 會唔同啊。其實呢啲好多嘅數據咧 again 係要落到好 personalized 好 deep 嘅 level 咧，就可以 drive 到嗰個 behavior change 嚇。咁所以 again 如果我 draw back to 我做好多 consulting 嘅 experience 嗰啲咧，都係當你 measure 翻啲唔同嘅 KPI 啊 ，measure 翻啲 adoption 嗰啲 metrics 啊，嗰啲 usage， 咁其實你就先至可以喺嗰度咧可以去改良，同埋可以去 improve 咁樣啦嚇。好，咁我就係今日嘅分享就係做到咁多啦。好，多謝晒大家。